From the outside, this operation appeared highly optimized. Freight moved continuously, dock activity remained consistent. Performance dashboards showed strong throughput, stable service levels, and uninterrupted customer fulfillment. Leadership believed labor costs were fully understood. Accessorial charges were viewed as routine operating expenses. Small surcharges appeared insignificant individually, and because freight continued flowing, no one questioned the growing accumulation. But buried beneath daily operations was a systemic governance failure. Automated processes were generating repeated charges. Individually, the charges looked harmless. Collectively, they created a recurring operational leak hidden from executive visibility. A forensic operational review revealed the true issue was not labor itself. The problem was fragmented governance. Carrier billing rules and accessorial structures lacked centralized visibility. Once the network was mapped, the source became apparent. After restructuring the billing architecture and eliminating unnecessary exposure, the organization recovered substantial annual savings. The greatest operational risks rarely originate on the warehouse floor. They emerge from the invisible systems connecting vendors. Organizations do not lose margin because they lack activity. They lose margin because they lack visibility. This has been the Invisible Bleed intelligence briefing, because the greatest operational risks are often the ones organizations never see.